Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. Camera quality is one of the biggest selling points of mobile phones today, and the improvements have been amazing. A company called iCaramba, that's EYE, can help you step up your mobile photography even more with a series of add-on lenses under the Black Eye brand name. Brand new is the ProKit G4 that includes 3 high-quality lenses in a compact travel case, wide-angle, macro, and portrait tele with a 2.5 times zoom. And because they clip on, they can work with just about any mobile device. CEO Oli Osara.
Basically, whatever smartphone you have, you can clip on our lens. And it's based on an attachment clip that we have designed and patented.
The ease of use and the results you get from the high-quality optics are impressive. For more info, head to blackeyelens.com. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. How many companies out there have continued to innovate when it comes to building a better radio? I'm Fred Fishkin, host of Techstination, and I'm here to tell you about the new CC Skywave SSB radio from the wonderful people at C-Crane. Bob and his crew really love radio, and it shows in this new compact model that is packed with features. Beyond great AM and FM reception and sound, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world, listen to ham radio operators, aviation, and more. It's the radio you'll turn to every day, and in emergencies. It will run for nearly 3 days on just 2 AA batteries. Pair the sleep timer with the new Soft Speaker 3, and you've got the perfect radio for your nightstand. Of course, it can wake you up too. Click on C-Crane at Techstination.com and put in the code Techstination for a free flashlight with your order. They love radio, and you'll love C-Crane.